Just a quick video on how to replace the toner in an HP LaserJet P2035n. And the first thing you're going to do is you see this little button here with the toner symbol. You push down on that to release the front cover, and then it just kind of rotates forward like so. Once it's open, you'll notice there's a handle here to grab the toner cartridge. So grab that, pull kind of up and out on it. It comes out like so. And then with your new toner cartridge, you just want to kind of give it a little gentle shake, just in case the toner is settled during storage. And when you reinstall the toner, you want to make sure this little nub here and this little protrusion here align with these slots in the side, basically. So you kind of put it in there at a slight angle. And then you push it in until it clicks into place, like so. Now, if it isn't seated in place properly, your door is not going to close properly. In that case it did, but depending on how far out it is, it might not want to shut properly. So if that's the case, pull the toner cartridge back out and then push it back in until it goes as far as it can. And then once you close it, the printer should cycle and just do a quick little self-test. And from there, you should be good to go. In my case, this toner cartridge is bad, so the light corresponding with the toner symbol is on. So just a quick little side note there. But otherwise, yeah, hopefully that's helpful, and thanks for watching.